on the screen is my survey that I made on SurveyMonkey. And to do this, you have to first create an account on SurveyMonkey. And then from there, you just have to create what kind of survey you want to create. You can use one of the templates, or you can just customize your own, which is what I did. And then from there, all you have to do is create your questions. And so these are some of the questions I did. And you can either have multiple choice, true or false, written answers, or there are a lot more categories you can choose from. So there's my first question, and I did multiple choice on that one. On my second one, it is also multiple choice as well. Actually, all of mine are multiple choice, but they have different looks and everything. And then after you create your survey, you get to preview it. Which, if it loads here. And then you can preview it and see how it'll look to those you send it out to. And then collecting responses, you get to choose how you want to collect your responses. And I chose to just send mine out via a web link. But you can also choose to send it through email, social media, or Facebook Messenger. And then after that, you can then send them to the people that you want to take the survey. So I sent them to a couple of my friends and family members to take. And then from there, you can analyze the results. So on question 1, which is on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest, how would you rank your overall knowledge of World War II? And then if you look down here at the table, one person put, I know a little, 3 people put basic knowledge from school, 2 people put, I know more than average, and 1 person put, I know almost everything. And you can do that for each question to see not necessarily who answered what, but how many people answered it. And so on, like my last question here, it also shows that 57.14% of the people chose firefighters, farmers, engineers, and mechanics as what were the roles of women during World War II. And 3 people put teachers, stay-at-home moms, secretaries, and nurses. And this is a really great tool because you obviously can send it out to whoever you want, and in different methods, and as well as that, you can also see the breakdown of each question and who answered what.